Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Boulies EP200 office chair, a great value solution for improving your office environment. As many of us continue to work from home or in hybrid roles, investing in a comfortable office chair is more important than ever. The Boulies EP200 brings in gaming chair expertise, as Boulies is known for producing some of the best gaming chairs on the market. This chair combines gaming know-how with office-friendly features, making it suitable for both work and home use. Assembly is required, but it's a straightforward process. The base and backrest are ready to go, and attaching the mechanism to the base is easy. The entire build took me about 25 minutes, and the clear instructions made it simple to do solo. The design strikes a great balance, offering tech without looking out of place. With a black plastic frame and mesh covering, the chair blends seamlessly into any office environment. Gentle chrome effect accents and a matching aluminum base elevate its aesthetic. Underneath the mesh surface, the EP200 is packed with chair technology. It features an integrated one-dimensional lumbar support adjustment in the back panel, providing decent support. Additionally, you get 3D armrests, seat height adjustment, and the ability to pull the seat forward to find a more comfortable position. The chair's comfort and support are truly impressive. Both the seat and backrest offer supreme comfort, ensuring you stay refreshed even after long work sessions. The headrest is a welcome addition, positioned perfectly for comfort. The range of adjustment options is handy, although some additional fine-tuning options would have been appreciated. Balancing the lumbar support was a minor challenge, but pulling the seat forward helped find a more comfortable spot. The Boulies EP200 undoubtedly delivers excellent value for money. It's priced at about half the cost of other premium chairs, while still providing a premium feel and comfort. Although other chairs may feel slightly more luxurious, the EP200's price-to-performance ratio makes it a better option for most people. In conclusion, if you want to elevate your comfort at home or in the office, the Boulies EP200 is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on various products. Stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.